I love the equipment. I love the iron. I love solving people's problems.
We are there 24/7 when they need help, and we get there as fast as we can.
Somebody they can count on.
We are a team mentality.
We supply power and temp control to hospitals, to nursing homes, places where it's very dire if they lose power.
Well, usually my day starts the night before. By the time I come to work, I already know what I want to do every day.
I ensure that my team is ready to go for the day, and if so, we rock and roll.
The day can consist of anything, really. I always say that in this role, you can't really predict what your next 15 or 20 minutes is going to be like.
Most of the time, I take care of our customer needs, requirements on the job sites.
Behind the scenes, there is a lot of patience and preparation going on that ensures that our equipment is ready to go and that the end users are happy.
We're really here to solve problems, not just from the equipment perspective, but from a services beyond that. We're trying to figure out what their need is from us and then how do we fill it? How do we support that?
When things go right and the power stays on, it's definitely not luck. It's the guys in the shop working hard and going through everything with a fine-tooth comb so we keep their power on.
That's all the work that people put into designing a system that's resilient. It happens behind the scenes, and that's the way it's intended.
I work for a company that is dedicated to family, so I'm actually very lucky to have that and provide for my family at the same time.
The biggest part of my job is helping these guys, and I get a lot out of it. I really love what I do.
I greatly enjoy the company that I work for with the team that I have. So for me, at the end of the day, it's the relationships that I build with the team members that I have.
It's the relationships you build over time that to me are really special. As I'm solving customers' issues and staying close to the iron, I'm happy.